Evaluate the following limit. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x divided by x. And we want to recall here, we've seen this limit before. Let's recall, we know from way back at the beginning of calculus that the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x divided by x is 1. But why? Before, when we look at this limit, we have to use trigonometry and a lot of algebra to attain this answer. But L'Hopital's rule is going to provide us with a quick and cute way to evaluate this limit and confirm this conclusion. So let's take a look. So remember, before we apply L'Hopital's, we must always evaluate and attain an indeterminate form. So I have the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x divided by x. So I have sine of 0 over 0, which equals 0 over 0, and we know that this is nonsense. This is undefined, or an indeterminate form. So now that we have shown the limit is an indeterminate form, we can apply L'Hopital's. So you're ready to apply L'Hopital's rule. So you want to keep in mind here we have the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x divided by x. And we are applying the derivative to the numerator and denominator separately. So this becomes the limit as x approaches 0 of cosine of x, all divided by 1. And so now when we go ahead and evaluate, this will be cosine of 0 over 1. And we, of course, know that cosine of 0 is 1. And that's our beautiful final answer. Woohoo! So we have confirmed our conclusion. We see that the limit as x approaches 0 of sine of x divided by x is 1. And we are ready to box it up.